Welcome to the world of TikTok income. I will show you how to make TikTok with different artificial intelligence sites and earn $13,000 or up to $100,000 on TikTok. Hello friends, and welcome to the new video of my channel. In this video, we are going to go into the depth of making money on the popular TikTok platform.
Wow.
In this video, join us as we learn more about the different ways TikTok provides businesses and content creators. The first topic, advertising in TikTok. One of the main sources of income for TikTok is advertising. Among the types of ads, we can mention in-stream ads, takeover ads, and brand hashtag challenges. The second issue, the creativity fund of content creators. TikTok allows content creators to get paid directly from TikTok through the Creative Fund program. The third issue, cooperation with brands and advertisers. Content creators can earn a lot of money by working with brands and advertisers by creating promotional content for them. The fourth issue, selling products and services by offering the possibility of direct purchase from TikTok. Businesses can introduce and sell their products and services to users and generate income. The fifth topic, marketing under the order. Through on-demand marketing, content creators can work with brands and companies to generate revenue through advertising and promotional partnerships. Finally, TikTok allows content creators and brands to earn a lot of money by creating several different business avenues. Leonardo AI is an artificial intelligence platform that allows users to create creative and quality content using advanced artificial intelligence algorithms. This platform is specifically used for producing text, images, music, videos, and more. Among the top capabilities of Leonardo AI, the following can be mentioned. Text generation. Leonardo AI is able to generate creative texts, articles, promotional writing, and other types of texts using artificial intelligence. Production of images and graphic designs. This platform is able to create various images and graphic designs using advanced artificial intelligence algorithms. Music and sound generation. Leonardo AI can automatically generate music tracks, sound effects, and various sounds using artificial intelligence. Video production. This platform is able to produce and create different videos using artificial intelligence algorithms, and even edit them. Use in different industries. Leonardo AI is used in different industries, including content marketing, making promotional videos, social content production, educational content production, etc. The benefits of using Leonardo AI include saving time and money, producing high quality and creative content, and the possibility of creating automatic content without the need for special skills. But as an important point, it should be noted that the use of platforms like Leonardo AI requires a good understanding of the use of artificial intelligence and an attitude towards production content. Thanks for watching our video. We hope that the information provided was useful and effective. Be sure to share your thoughts and suggestions with us in the comments section.